Hey everyone guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your 1099 form from DoorDash, okay? So if you're a dasher, this form is actually very crucial guys for filing your taxes. So let's get started. So first, DoorDash partners with Stripe, okay? Stripe Express to provide a 1099 forms. So to access it, what you want to do is basically open your email and search for an invitation from Stripe Express. This email is typically sent, early in the year, so just check your inbox or spam folder. Now, guys, if you cannot actually find the email, you want to open the Dasher app and log in. Then you want to just tap the menu icon and navigate to the earnings section. Then you want to basically just look for a link to access your tax documents through Stripe, okay? And once you're in Stripe Express, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to log in with your Stripe account credentials. And if you haven't set up an account yet, follow the prompts or register using the email, which is actually associated with your DoorDash account. Don't go and start using different emails. Make sure you use the same email, guys, okay? And after you log in, guys, you'll see the option to download your 1099 form. Just tap the link to download or print the form directly from the portal. And there you have it, guys. Your 1099 form is ready to go for your tax season. And guys, if this guide helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more helpful tips. And I'll see you guys in the next video.